Hello everyone! Welcome ulit sa Star PH TV. So another unwrapping tayo guys, another mail day, and this time hindi naman siya related sa mga cards but something that I think is useful para sa mga bahay, especially sa mga medyo sumasakit-sakit ang katawan dyan. So guys, kung ito, let's check it out after this intro. So ayun guys, this past few days medyo marami tayong mga nararamdaman. I'm not sure if it's about the weather or anything related, pero lately medyo sumasakit yung likod natin. So I just had a massage last Sunday or no weekend, and yun, gumamit siya ng gantong machine. So I decided to try and get one also para I think medyo natuwa ako nung ginamit ito. So yan, naisipan ko rin to get one, and I got this from an online store. So we are on the cheaper side lang kasi we're just testing the product, and I'm not sure about the quality or effectiveness, but checking on reviews online, medyo there are may mga machines na ganito or tools na ganito na on the cheaper side, and meron yung mga medyo high end. So let's see kung ano yung laman ng box. This actually a handheld massager, and ang binili ko yung may kasama ng bag, so mas madali siyang iligpit. And ito yung massager niya. I just forgot, parang walang nakasulat kung ano yung product name niya, no, but I think medyo knock off siya nung isa sa mga popular na Thermagun tinatawag dito. So parang massage gun siya, and with different massage heads. So yung conical head, ball head, U-shaped head, and product use, meron pa siyang I'm not sure if this is a remote or yung digital screen niya, and how to remove and install yung mga heads. Then you can charge it with the USB. Yun lang, wala siyang kasama nung adapter, so you can plug it in as long as it's a 5 volts mobile phone charger. And yung mga detailed list, so kung ano yung mga nakalagay, and meron siyang mga kailangang iwasan. So sa mga part na medyo pwedeng mag-cause ng aneurysm, heart disease, pregnancy. So just make sure to follow yung instructions, and before you use one, I think mas maganda get parang get some more information dun sa mga kakilala nyong using this one or dun sa mga YouTube videos. So you just search for Paschal gun or Thermagun tinatawag, and yun. So within the bag, let's check out yung kanyang mga heads. So isa-isahin natin. This one is the U-shaped head. This one is the wolf tooth. So parang siyang and we got this one, yung ball head. Meron din tayong contact spade head, parang medyo maliit na tuning fork. We got this one, half moon touch nod head. Siya na medyo nagpapapansin ng ating alaga sa labas. Then we got this one, golden finger head. And ito yung medyo rubber yung dulo niya, air cushion head. Yan natin. So air cushion head impact deep tissues such as meridians, joints, palms, plantar muscles, is suitable for the whole body. Yan, isa-isahin pala natin. So and ito muna yung parang cone head. Cone head is suitable for impacting deep tissues and plantar acupoints such as meridians and joints. Yung ball head, which is I think ito yung madalas natin nakikita, madalas ginagamit. It's suitable for massaging various muscle parts such as palms and soles. So para siyang styro or rubbery na yung typical na rubber na medyo styron texture pero matigas siya. Then we got the U-shaped head. It's suitable to massage the neck and Achilles tendon. So sa may bandang paa. This one, the wolf tooth head, it is suitable for deep stimulation such as massaging big muscles, legs, and buttocks. Tapos yung golden finger, suitable for internal deep tissue acupoint massage, finger type simulation, pwede siya pang massage ng head. Then ito, half moon touch nod, suitable for abdominal, neck, leg muscles to eliminate fat and massage. So ito pala nakaka-eliminate ng fat daw. And yung last niya is yung contact spade head. It's suitable for abdomen, waist, shoulder, and other muscle groups to strengthen acupoint simulation. And we got the bag. Also in the bag is yung Type-C charger na. So good thing no, Type-C na yung charger niya kasi medyo ito na yung mas common ngayon sa mga cellphones. And the machine is this one, medyo mabigat siya, no? Solid, although plastic material, pero mabigat. So and this is yung digital head niya. Maximum gear is 32. So try natin siya kung may charge. Let's turn it on. Ayan, so may charge siya. And as you can see, nagba-vibrate. And yan, number 2. Nag-skip na sa 3. Ayan, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mararamdaman mo yung vibration, no? So ito pa lang ramdam na natin. And let's try yung pinaka lakas niya. Ayan, so ito yung pinakamalakas. So you can see my hand. Not sure kung ano kasi medyo nagko-correct yung video pag sa mga sa mga nag-move na items or let's wait at check muna natin. Ngayon dito natin malalaman yung sinasabi nila na pag medyo mid-end or low budget na massager, medyo yung movement nung head niya or yung massage head niya is minimal lang compared din sa mga iba na nag-reach up to 11 mm yung movement nung kanyang head. So tabi muna natin to and let's check out na para makita natin yung buo. So I'll turn it on again. So start siya ng ayun nga, so yung movement niya medyo maiksi lang, no? A few millimeters. And yan, so nakaka-massage naman siya. At number 1, medyo kailangan mo lang diinan, but it is, I think is effective, no? Medyo masarap sa pakiramdam, and I'll try to ayan, 12. So halos mas bumilis ng konti, but mas yung vibration niya, mas malakas yung vibration. At that's number 12 pala. And let's try the max at 32. So ito na yun. Ayan, so kita nyo yung movement dun sa yung muscles natin. Ayan, so pag may mga parts kayo na masasakit, I think you should have one of these. Medyo masarap siya to loosen up yung mga stiffness. Yung pagtanggalin kabit lang ng kanyang head, you just pull it out, then replace it with another head and push. Ito medyo may problema lang tayo dito sa part na to dahil loose. So I think medyo ano to, problem to, but since working naman to na madalas natin gagamitin, I think let's just look for a workaround para dito sa isa. And let's check yung other mga heads na din. So this one is working naman. Ayan, medyo pointed para siyang pinakamot. Just pull it, then let's try this one. Yan, medyo nakapaligid naman. So sarap siya guys, try nyo. Ito medyo pag mga pressure points, try natin to. Ayan. So yan, medyo pointed sa specific part ng ano, arm. So hindi natin try yung ibang guys, medyo mahaba na yung video natin, but that's it for our unboxing and review of this. Hindi nakalagay yung brand niya, but I know meron tong brand na nakalagay in order natin, but we'll just post its description below kung anong brand na facial massager to, or tawag sa kanya facial gun. Facial gun. So sa other Thermagun, and as said, this is on the cheaper side, but I think kung medyo mag-enjoy tayo dito, we'll try for hindi naman expensive. So we'll search sa market kung ano yung medyo mga kilalang brands and yung mga reliable brands, and we'll try to get one of those. So yun, but this one, kung nag-start pa lang kayo for this massager, nasa cheaper side siya sa Lazada, baka naman Lazada. So naihabol din natin siya dun sa sale, kaya medyo mas okay din yung price na nakuha natin. And also we got yung meron na kasamang bag, so mas madali siyang iligpit. So yan guys, with that, I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina Hampas Lupang Burgis, si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Taste Sensitive by Tesha, si John RT Vlog, which is ang new vlog niya ngayon is Mimi and Yuki, si Mommy Mad Selen, and si Mommy Bell Sato. And by the way, yun pala, so dumating na yung ating yan. So for our long time members ng Tower PH TV, you'll get one of each of this one. Papadala na lang natin to. So ito yung naisip kong holiday gift or Christmas gift sa ating mga members who have been supporting us for the longest time. Yan. So I'll contact you kung paano natin mapapadala po sa inyo yung ating mga gifts. And sa mga yun, gusto mag-member, please do join us. We'll make it a regular thing na to give gifts to our members every year or every Christmas. And sobrang isa yon, so ipapakita natin sa unboxing natin yan. May sobra siyang isa, and that will be for one of our lucky subscribers. So yun, and of course hopefully mga next videos natin is more on sa mga giveaways para sa Christmas. So mamimigay tayo ng mga Gcash or anything na I think na maganda ipamigay during this holiday season. So also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and NBA trading card collectors. And also don't forget guys yung ating other channel na Tower PH Gaming. So guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo dito, please do like and share na din sa mga sa tingin nyo magugustuhan to. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sa mga hindi pa po subscriber, please do subscribe to Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investment. I cannot say na investment to, but na collection to, but I think it's also good to invest to things like this para pag medyo kailangan nyo ng massager na biglaan yan, so merong available or meron kayo magagamit. And yun, so maraming salamat guys. Maraming salamat sa pag-join sa ating video. Hopefully makasama ko pa kayo sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos. Again guys, is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.